Okay, we're sitting out here with Terrence Reed Clemens, who, how old are you?
9.
9. And what is this big stuff over here? What are they?
Peas.
And can I see some?
Yes.
Can you pick one off and show me how delicious they look?
No. I know.
Can you eat it?
Let me see. Open it up. Let's see how they look inside.
Can you eat it?
And Terrence, are you sharing these with anybody else?
Yeah.
And how long
I shared a lot, and plus Allie stole some.
And how long have you been growing these for?
2 years.
2 months.
2 months. And are the best peas in the pod you've ever had?
Mama, I want this.
Wow. And when you're in Dubai, you think we could grow these?
No.
No. What do you think we're going to be able to grow in Dubai? Peach trees and
Mango trees, and that's probably it.
yeah.
We can't grow much.
Are you going to miss having a garden?
But
Yeah. And what's over here, Ali? Mia, can you show me what's over there? What's growing over there, Mia?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
No, blueberries.
Blueberries. There are some. Hi, Blue. Blue, do you want to go to Dubai? Do you want to go to Dubai, Blue?
He said,
Who wants to go to Dubai?
me! With peas!
With peas?
I want peas.
Okay, watch the dog. What are you asking for?
Peas.
Terrence, who else could have peas in a pod?
Me and Ellie.